Hey everyone. So we have suppose t varies jointly as x and y squared. So they give us what is x, y, and t. Now we need to express t in terms of x and y. So we can say that since t, and these are directly proportional, so we can say that x times y. And we have t equals to kxy squared, where k will never be 0. So once we have established this, then we can put it into the equation. So t in here, we have k we don't know, and x will be a quarter, y would be 2 squared. So we have blue, that's our x, and I got it from here. And our green, 2, that's our y. Whoops, sorry. Our y, and we got it from here. Then we do the math, and that would be tk a quarter times 4. And that, oh, and then the t, I forgot. T is 12 in here because we were solving for k. So, oops, sorry. So 12 in here. And then k will be 12 because we can cancel out these two. So that would be A. xy squared. And for B, find the value of x when t is 8 and y is 1/3. Now we have k and we want to find the value of t, the value of x. Then what we can do, you write down 8, y would be 1/3, and we have the equation. The equation of t equals to 12xy squared. You can pop it in. So we have 8 equals to 12x 1/3 squared. I'm just doing algebra in here. So this will be 1/9. We can cross these out. So this will be 4 and 3. And I'm just doing more algebra. So I'm isolating for x. So 4x and then x would equal to 6 in here. And then we're done. So that would be the first example. And then let's move on. Let's say it is given that z varies directly as x squared. Okay, and inversely. So we have these two key terms, directly and inversely. So meaning that we need to say since z varies directly, so it is at the top, indirectly would be at the bottom. Therefore, we have z equals to kx squared over y. And we need to indicate that k would never be 0. If x increased by 20%, all right, so if we have x increased by 20%, that means we have 1 plus 0.2 times x, which is 1.2x. And then y in this case would be decreased by 25%. So the whole minus 0.25, and that would be 0.75y. And now we're all set, and we can pop it into the equation. So find the percent change in z. So Z would be K, and I'll pop the numbers in. 1.2 x squared over 0.75 y. And when you put it into your calculator, you should get 1.92 x squared, kx squared, I mean, over point, oh, this is factored in already. So we have this, and then everything would be over y. And don't forget that Z, here, this is the tricky part. So let me rewrite it, and then you can see it better. I'm just rewriting. Do you see this part, yellow? It's very similar to this. It's exactly that. So in other words, we can say that it is 1.92K. Sorry, Z, right here. So Z. But we're not done yet, because they asked for the percent change in Z. So in here, what we can use the equation. Percent change would be 1.92 Z minus Z over Z. Z will be our original value, and this 1.92 Z is our new value. So I'll color it. This is new value, green. And then pink will be the original value. And then we can multiply by 100. And then we can do some algebra again. So this will just be 90.92 Z over Z times 100%. I can get rid of the Z. And now we have 92%. Then we're done.